Hey everyone, welcome to today's video, which is a quick comparison between AutoDS and CJ Dropshipping. As you know, both of these are AI generated platforms for you to do dropshipping. Now, as you can see, we are on the AutoDS website. They'll find products for you. They also have like AI built Shopify store, so you can just choose any theme and like make a few changes, but most of them will be ready. Product imports will be ready for you. Like as you can see, you can import 500 million plus products from global suppliers in just one click, and all the orders tracking and everything will be automated by AutoDS themselves. You don't have to do anything. They also have print on demand option, and they also have product sourcing, and as you can see, their live chat support is also available. You can go ahead and read all of this. And we are on the CJ Dropshipping. As you can see, that they'll find like source and sell winning products, connect them with your store, and then auto sync them and like pay for them, and also like fulfill and track customer orders. As you can see, the personalized services are like quick sourcing, all these things. The advantages is free setup, product listing, reliable shipping, global warehouse, professional wholesale service, free dedicated personal agent, automatic order, quality inspection, and all of these things. Now if we look into a very quick comparison, CJ is free to start and AutoDS will cost you $12. So if you have literally no money, CJ Dropshipping is the way to go. And then e-commerce store integration, CJ they offer 18 while AutoDS offers only 6. Warehouse for CJ is global and AutoDS is China only. Product connection is unlimited and AutoDS will vary by plans. Auto fulfillment is done by both of them. Product sourcing, both of them. POD service, both of them. Customer service is also 24/7 in both of them. Intelligent product pricing, CJ Dropshipping does not have it, but AutoDS has it, so you might need to do some of your own research. And for product photography service, as you can see, CJ Dropshipping does allow you that, but AutoDS does not. And this is the very short but quick comparison, so I would say go to whichever one suits your needs the best. And this is it for the video. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.